Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into how to plan an efficient networking event using Notion, your one-stop tool for all your planning needs. Our first step is creating a new page in Notion titled Networking Event. This will be the central hub for your event planning. The reason we do this is to keep all your information organized and accessible in one place. Now that we've done that, we'll add a table to this page. This table will help you track your guest list, their contact information, and attendance status. Ensuring you have a handle on who's coming and who's not is crucial for a successful event. Our next step is to create a timeline for the event. Click on the timeline option in the sidebar and start plotting out your event schedule. This helps us because it gives a clear visual representation of how the event will flow, ensuring you don't miss any critical parts or overbook. Next up, we'll use the task list feature. Here, you can list all the tasks that need to be completed before, during, and after the event. This is important because it helps you stay on top of everything that needs to be done and ensures nothing is overlooked. Finally, we'll add a notes section at the bottom of the page. This is where you can jot down any ideas or reminders that come up during the planning process. This is important because in the hustle and bustle of planning, it's easy to forget small details that could make a big difference to your event. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can efficiently plan your networking event in Notion. Remember, proper planning is the key to a successful event. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.